Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to give y'all a tour of the show. All the people that are here, the best customers in the whole world. Smile. Are you having fun? Be sure and go inside and get cake. Did you find another one? We're having a golden egg contest. Well, stick it in the basket and go get what you want. Hi, girls. Y'all smile. Smile at everybody. You're going to be on TV. Let me walk you around here. I'm not good at this, as y'all know, and let y'all see what's going on. There's Nancy. She's doing all that is being held while people shop.
Hello.
Look who's here. Good to see you. Love you.
This is my friend Brenda.
Hi, Brenda. We'll walk around and let y'all see what's going on. No, the front one is not sold. Okay, and here's Michelle. Everybody smile. I'm sorry, I'm not a good video. Say Val's from where in Mississippi? Canton, Mississippi. Look at that little Christmas tree. Oh, how cute. Smile. Donna's from where in Blanchard. I have another follower that's in, I'll have to look it up and I'll let you know because she wanted to come and couldn't come. Hi, girls. Y'all watch the video later and you'll see yourself. There's our parking lot.
Will they do any better on that gate? The front one's 50. The back one was 35 that was sold.
I'll have to check. Let me finish this right quick.
It.
I just wanted to show everyone all the fun we're having here. We have the log cabin has things in it. Look, we got a wagon going by. That's what I would put my tomatoes in when I picked them and pull it around. Smile big. I'm going to walk y'all in the house right quick and let y'all see what's going on in the house. I want to show you a picture of all the cakes I made. Most of them I made yesterday. Let me go in here. There's the golden egg prize. Here's our cookbooks for sale. Here's some free flower seeds.
Yes, you too.
Here we go. Here come some people coming out. Go. Here are the cakes. How are the cakes going? They're just getting started on the cakes.
Oh,
smile, Brenda.
Of course,
the carrot cake. That's the carrot cake goes first. That's strawberry, coconut zucchini, banana, cookies, and homemade cobbler that I just took out of the oven. I got up at 6:30, girls. Y'all smile.
I got it at 6:30.
Did you? Good. Okay, we just wanted to give you a quick little update of the show. And we are here till Saturday, and we're here from 9 to 4, and we have lots of good stuff.